What would you say it was like getting into the industry?
The first year was very, very tough. A lot of imposter syndrome, not feeling like I could do this, and it was just very scary. It was like fighting for my life every day. I feel like I made it sound worse than it really is, but it was tough, and it was just a lot to learn up until the first deal.
I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse.
As soon as you get your first deal, everything changed mindset-wise. Didn't feel like an imposter at that point anymore. Felt like I could actually do this work and be a good agent.
That's always the toughest thing. It's like how are these people trusting me with like one of the biggest transactions of their life? Somebody that I thought was experienced, and they were just like, I learned something new on every deal. And as simple as that sounds, I was like, that makes a lot of sense. We've been doing it for this long, and like every single deal, you still learn something new.
I was solo for the first 7 months.
And how was that?
Rough. I had no idea what I was doing. I was making cold calls every single day, and I didn't know what the hell to say.
You're creating business out of thin air.
Yeah.
And like every day you wake up and there's nobody telling you what to do.
A Saturday is a Monday.
A Saturday, yeah. I mean, it's like all over the place, so you have to be like disciplined with stuff.